while my soup is getting ready, I thought I might show you how this ingenious thing works. It seems to be that it's working the same way as in the old trains. So if we take it from here, you see these hooks, they get undone, then they go like this and like this, and you have a proper bunk where you can sleep on. Although I have to say, I said it already on that other video from Kiev to Odessa, that this distance is slightly short for taller people like me. Because of that, it's worth getting these or those places instead of the side ones, because they're a bit short. Here they're also short, but if your legs are a little bit over, that's okay. Here there is no place where to go over. And when you want to put it back, you have this thing, then you pull it up, and then you put these hooks into the place, and it's not going anywhere. It's very stable. And the upper one works a little bit similar. I undid that one. Now this thing. I need more than 2 hands. So I just switched off unwillingly. So now it goes like this. It sits on these things and hangs on that hinge, which supports on that rubber. And then you have even this thing, which is quite new invention. In older days we didn't have these. So now let's try to put it back like this. I need more hands, sorry. Now, and these hooks go themselves with a spring. They click into place, and that's it. And for these ones, I think it will, you see the arrow, that one is released, and now we'll release this one, and now it just goes into its place. Very simple. So there you have your luggage storage for small things, your upper bunk, other small things for the lower one, and big storage under the lower one. And that's in the, when it's not needed. You can sit still here easily while somebody is sleeping up there. But if there is nobody to use upper bunks, in that case that's even handier, because when you stand up you don't hit your head against there. And so let's try to put it back. Yeah, it clicks into its place. Very simple. So these are my simple instructions for using the new type Platzkart coach, made in Russia, used between Georgia and Armenia. Isn't that cool? We will be crossing border from Georgia into Armenia something around 11 p.m. or 12 p.m. It'll be quite long. I think 60 minutes of standing on each of the sides of the border. And I think because of that nobody's, well, almost nobody, you see 2 of them are, no, 4 actually, but usually people don't make their beds and don't go to sleep before they cross the border. But I wanted, like them, I wanted to maximize my sleep time, and I asked conductor for this thing. You see, it's even Armenia. Cool. So that's the bed linen. I think towel as well, probably. Yeah, it looks like there's a towel, there's a bed sheet, and yeah, basically everything which you need for bed. And the pillows are there. I'm not sure if they have any blankets. Probably. Let's see. We'll find out. So this will be my home for tonight. That's my towel, pillow, bed sheet, and kind of blanket, another bed sheet. And usually they use the bed sheet and the blanket on top of it. So bed sheet would divide you from the blanket. But here I don't see any blankets. And probably that's why they keep the place so hot, that you don't really need it. You just cover yourself with another sheet and that's enough. It's really hot here. But I guess that the conductor probably might have it somewhere. If I wanted, and if I asked him, I might get it, I guess. But I can't imagine it will be needed, it's too hot.